listen carefully here. Suppose if I take a number 13 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. What is the remainder? 3. 3 is the positive remainder. 3 is the positive remainder. Negative remainder. 5 3s are 15. What is the negative remainder? Minus 2. How we got this positive remainder? 13 is divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. What is the remaining? 13 minus 10 is 3. This remaining is the positive remainder. Or if I take the negative remainder, 5 3s are 15. Here 13 minus 10 is 3. 13 minus 15 is minus 2. Either you take the number less than 13 or you take the number greater than 13. Now, negative remainder is an illusionary concept. I am using this to solve my problems very fast. By using this, a good number of problems can be solved in less time and less space. Now, what you should be very good is, suppose if you get a negative remainder, add with the denominator to get the positive remainder. What is 5 minus 2? 3. Suppose if you get the positive remainder, subtract it from the denominator. What is 3 minus 5? Minus 2. To get negative remainder. If there is a negative remainder, add with the denominator to get the positive remainder. If there is a positive remainder, subtract it from the denominator to get the negative remainder. Right? Please write down that point. You need to change negative remainder to positive remainder, positive remainder to negative remainder, depending upon the nature of the question. If there is a negative remainder, add with the denominator. If there is a positive remainder, subtract it from the denominator. Negative remainder, add with the denominator, positive remainder, subtract it from the denominator. Next 2 hours, we will solve as many problems as possible related to reminders. We will cover all the models and reminders. Negative reminder to positive reminder to negative reminder. Now see this. One more example. Reminder 1. 20 is divided by 7. Positive reminder. 7 2s are 14. What is the positive reminder? 6. Negative remainder, 7 3s are 21. What is the negative remainder? Minus. I hope the definition of negative remainder, how to get the negative remainder, converting from negative remainder to positive remainder to negative remainder, clear. Number 2, second key point. Clear, right? Now, second point. Suppose if I take 2 numbers, 20 divided by 7. 20 divided by 7. What is the positive remainder? 7 2s are 14. Positive remainder is 6. What is the negative remainder? 7 3s are 21. What is the negative remainder? Minus 1. See here. Suppose if I take another number, remainder 1, 40 divided by 7. What is the positive remainder? Tell me. 7 5s are 35. What is the positive remainder? 5. What is the negative remainder? 7 6s are 42. What is the negative remainder? Minus 2. Now because I got 2 reminders, I am going to do some mathematical operations. Let me do addition. 20 plus 40 by 7. Suppose if I add this one and this one. 20 plus 40, 60 divided by 7. 7 8s are 56. What is the positive remainder? 7 8s are 56. 4. Yes or no? Now, instead of one way is add this number, divide by 7, you will get the answer. The other way is, instead of adding and doing it, think logically. Suppose if it is 20 into 40, you have to do 20 into 40, 800, then divide by 7. Suppose if it is 20 into 40 into 30, as the number of numbers increases in the numerator, simplification becomes difficult. So instead of doing and dividing by 7, do it individually. You can do with positive remainder or you can do with a negative remainder. 20 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14. What is the positive remainder? 6. 40 divided by 7. 7 5s are 35. What is a positive remainder? 5. When you divide a number by 7, will you get a remainder 11? No. So further divide. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 divided by 7. What is the answer? 4. Both are same. Sir, can I use negative remainder? You can also use negative remainder. Tell me 20 divided by 7. What is the negative remainder? Minus 1. 40 divided by 7. Minus 2. Divided by 7. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Just now we discussed. Whenever we get the negative remainder, we have to add the denominator to get the positive remainder. What is 7 minus 3? 4. That means, through this example, I want to convey a point. Whenever you are adding two numbers, do not get the answer and divide by 7. You can do individually and then get the answer. Either you can use a positive remainder to get the answer, or you can use a negative remainder to get the answer. And another important learning from this example is, when you divide a number by 7, will you get a remainder 11? No. So after writing, you will write a point. Listen carefully to every introductory problem, then slowly I increase the level of difficulty. You are from which branch? Which class?
10
Sorry. You came only for aptitude. Sit. Again I am repeating. Second example clear? Very, very important topic for multiple competitive exams. 20 divided by 7, 7 2s are 14, positive remainder is 6, 40 divided by 7, 7 5s are 35, 5, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 divided by 7, 4. Listen carefully to every problem. One more we will solve. Please write down. 20. The remainder one. 20 into 40 divided by 7. 20 into 40 divided by 7. Now if you see here, 20 into 40 divided by 7. A remainder. Tell me, instead of doing 20 into 40, 800 divided by 7, do it individually. 20 divided by 7, 7 2s are 14. What is the positive remainder? 6. 7 5s are 35. What is the positive remainder? 5. When you divide a number by 7, will I get a remainder 30? No. 30 divided by 7, 7 4s are 28. What is the remainder? 2. Suppose this I did by using positive remainder. Negative remainder. 7 3s are 21. What is a negative remainder? Minus 1. 7 6s are 42. What is a negative remainder? Minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 2. What is the answer? 2. Either you use a positive remainder or negative remainder, you will get the same answer. Please write down. Listen carefully. Close to 2 to 2.5 hours, we will discuss only reminders. I hope it is clear. Whenever you are doing reminders, do not do the entire multiplication, get the answer, divide by the denominator, do it individually. That is the learning from the second concept. Please write down a note. Suppose, if the question is on the form remainder when numerator by denominator, answer will be positive reminders from 0 to denominator minus 1. Please write down this point. Suppose if I divide a number by 3, what are all the reminders? 0, 1, 2. If I divide a number by 5, what are the reminders? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It could be any one of the answer. If you divide a number by 8, will I get the reminder 9? Not possible. 9 divided by 8 is 1. When you divide a number by an x, the possible reminders are from 0 to x minus 1.